Today I'll be taking you through some key elements of a spouse centre clearance application. This will just be an overview video and we'll go through some more detail of all the sections in subsequent videos. The most basic requirement is the fact that the sponsor in the UK and the applicant outside of the UK have to be aged 18 or over. When we say sponsor, what we mean is the person in the UK who is either a British national or someone with indefinite leave to remain or someone with refugee leave with 5 years leave. They can sponsor their wives to come over or husbands to come over. In most circumstances, the marriage certificate has to be valid and recognised in the country that the marriage is conducted in. We also have to show that the marriage is genuine and subsisting. An extremely important part of the application is the financial requirements. There are many ways to meet the financial requirements, but your documents and information have to be perfect. There are many requirements for accommodation as well. If your sponsor owns their own house, then a title deed would suffice. If your sponsor rents this house, then a tenancy agreement is fine. Optionally, you can get a letter from the landlord as well. If your sponsor is a lodger, it is still possible to show that property for the accommodation requirement as well. For a lot of the countries that we deal with, there's an English language requirement and a TB test pass requirement as well. Each section that I've discussed will have its own separate video going into greater detail. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. If you've got any specific questions, please leave a comment below.